This is Donzia and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be taking you a step-by-step tutorial on how to change your date of birth, your age, on the NIMC self-modification portal, which I've already done a video tutorial on before, but I'm simplifying this video particularly for those that just want to change their date of birth only. So in this video, I'm going to be taking you through the step-by-step tutorial on how to verify each stages. So if this video is what you are going to like, please don't forget to subscribe, comment and share. So without no further delay, let's dive in. First of all, you are going to come to Google and then verify your NIN if it is validated or not. I'm going to be using my NIN as an example. You are going to be seeing all the details here. So just go to Google and type passport.immigration.gov.ng. Once you reach there, you are going to click on continue right here. You are going to click on the continue button right here. Once you click on continue, you are going to click on apply for fresh passport. Then once you click on apply for fresh passport, they are going to request for your NIN number, date of birth, month and year. Please note that you are trying to validate your NIN. You are trying to know if your NIN has been validated or not. If it shows that if it shows the information on your NIN, that means your NIN is validated. But if it shows invalid or any other thing, that means your NIN is not validated. So now let me enter my NIN here. Then you are going to enter this number to check, and you're going to click on verify. Once you click on verified and the information shows like this on the NIMC immigration portal, which means the Nigerian immigration portal, that means your NIN is up, ready and validated. You don't need to validate your NIN again. So now the next step is to head over to the website in which you are going to get the birth certificate to use to correct the date of birth on your NIN. Now to do this, you are going to click on Google again and enter national population.gov.ng right here. Then when you click on it, it's going to load. Once it's load like this, please, I recommended putting your phone to desktop mode. To put your phone on desktop mode, just click on setting right here, toggle on this button right here. Once you click on it, then you scroll down and click on desktop site right here. So put it like this. Once you put it like this, it's going to show for you like this. Once it shows like this, the next step is to click on services, this one right here. Then when you click on services, it's going to show birth registration self-services, death attestation self-services. Then you are going to click on birth attestation self-services, this one right here. Then when you click on the birth attestation self-services, it's going to load. Once it's load for you, please know that if you are a person born between 1992 and below, it is the NPC birth attestation you will need. But if you are a person born above 1992 and above, it is the NPC digitalized birth certificate you are going to do. So this is the certificate of birth attestation self-service. So you are going to click on here, right here. Please click on here. Once you click it like this, once you click on the privacy information requirement like this, it's going to load for you like this. Then once it loads for you like this, your job is to scroll down right here. Scroll down to all this NPC policy right here. All this policy, this policy, this policy, and policy. You are going to click on each policy one by one and accept the terms and conditions. So we are going to click on the NPC Green Privacy Policy. It's going to load for us like this, and then you are going to click on the last button right here that I've read the NPC Green Privacy and Policy, and then you are going to click on it. Once you click on it, as you can see here, it has been marked, it has been double marked right here. This one has been double marked. So you are going to do the same for all the policies that is showing here. Once you have clicked on all the policies that is showing here and it has double marked, then this green button will show right here that I read the document and thereby give my consent, and then you are going to click on it. Once you click on it, the attestation will turn to green right here. The attestation will turn to green right here. It was black before, so it turned to green. Then you are going to click on the attestation, and then once you click on the attestation, please, as you can see right here, please know that this service will attract a sum of 3,000 naira. Payment reference will be sent to your email. What you are going to do here is to provide your active email address that is already logged into your phone so that you can continue this process. So you enter your email address and click on I'm not a robot. Then you mark the captcha that is showing on your screen. Let's look for it and mark it. As you can see, it has been marked. Then you are going to click on proceed to payment. When you click on the proceed to payment, as you can see here that an OTP has been sent to the recipient's email address. Kindly check to confirm. You are going to check your email and enter the OTP that was sent through your email here and verify the OTP. Once you enter the OTP code, then you are going to click on verify. And then as you can see here, it has been loaded successfully, and the amount to pay, there is 45 naira charges on the initial 3,000 naira amount to pay. So you can pay with your ATM card, pay with transfer, pay with bank transfer, pay with USSD, and pay with OPay. So what I'm going to do is to pay with OPay. Authenticate.
After you've made payments, they'll take you back to the page like this, and this is your payment reference number. So you just click on the copy icon, just click on copy, then you click on proceed and wait for it to load. What you need to do now is for you to provide your national identity number for verification. So you just enter your 11-digit number here and then you click on verify. Now your face will be matched with the face that is in your NIN. So just click on match face. When you click on it, this is the guideline on how to capture your face. Make sure that your face is being stationed at a particular position. Let your face be at the center of the camera. So you click on next. Once the page opens like this, it means that your face ID has been matched with the face you use to enroll for your national identity number. So now look at all the information here. Your state of origin, your date, and the rest, all your information is already there. So what you need to do now is for you to go to your date of birth, because you want to actually apply for date of birth correction. So quickly go there, input the correct date of birth. You click on next. You need to verify your email address. Just input your correct email address. An OTP will send to your email. Then you go there, copy the OTP, input it now, and click on verify before you now click on next. Once you click on next, what you need to do, every of your information, just make sure you fill all of them, then upload your court affidavit. Once you upload it, you click on next. You also have to fill your parents' information, your father's details, your mother's details. Click on all their information, input them correctly, then you click on next. This is a preview of the information you entered on the National Population Commission website. So all you have to do is for you to go through it, carefully go through it, and check for errors. So once you're very sure that you've gone through your information, they're quite okay, you now click on hereby certify that all the information provided here is true and accurate. Then you click on submit. Once you click on submit, that is all. Now this is the notification that the application has been successfully submitted. So all you have to do now is to click on close. After that, they're going to send you a mail. So just go to your mailbox. You'll see a mail directly from ECRVS telling you that your certificate request has been successfully submitted and it is currently being processed. So you don't need to wait for long. What you have to do now is for you to go back to that NPC website. Once you go back to that NPC website, go to the page where we were trying to make payment. Now what you need to do is for you to click on check status. The page will open like this. You need to provide your payment reference number. So the payment reference number was sent to you the moment you made that payment for your certificate. So just go back to your mailbox, copy that reference number, input it here, and you click on check status. After that has been done, you can see there is an icon there. It's showing approved. And there is another icon where you have download certificate, meaning that your certificate has been approved. They did not send it to your mail. It is already here. So all you need to do is for you to click on download. Click on the download certificate. Mind you, it is only once you can download it. So you be very, very careful and make sure you know where the download is being stored on your device. So click on download and it will be saved directly into your device.
Once you are done with getting the attestation-based certificates online, the next step is to carry out the modification on the self-service NIMC portal. Now, to do this, you are going to head back to Google as usual. Once you get back to Google, type in the self-service, as you can see here, self-service modification portal right here. Type this particular address here. Once you type it, it's going to load for you like this. Once it's load for you, then the next step is to click on register. If you don't have an account already, you click on register. Then when you click on register and it's load, you are going to enter your first name, last name, middle name, surname, and phone number. Then you are going to click on next, enter your email address and everything. then you are going to register. But since I already have an account, I don't need to register. I'm just going to click on the login right now because I'm not registering the new account. So I'm just going to use my email address and my password. And then I'm going to click on login. Once I click on login, as you can see here, login successfully. Proceed to validate face. Please ensure you use a plain background. On this NIMC self modification portal, you are going to validate your face identity so that they are going to know that you are the one on the NIN that you want to perform the modification on. So you are going to click on verify face. So it's going to load and capture your face to fully verify if you are the one in the NIN that you want to perform the modification on. So make sure that the place you want to use is white background. As you can see, processing data. It has captured my face successfully. So it is running and loading to the home page. Here it is going to show where we are going to perform the modification we want to carry on. After your face has been captured successfully, you are going to be logged in here to this modification categories. And as you can see here, that know that all modification requires support documents. Make sure you have them ready for upload. And as you can see right here, that date of birth modification is the most costly field to modify the categories, to modify it. So what you are going to do next is to just click on the change of date of birth and then click on continue. Once you click on continue, it's going to load, and then you are going to click on I have read and understood the instruction above. Then as you can see that date of birth modification can only be changed once in a lifetime, either on the self-service website or at NIMC Enrollment Center. Let me tell you that this claim is not true. You can actually change your date of birth through NIMC agents or NIMC Enrollment Center more than 2 times or 3 times, depending on what you are doing or how you need your date of birth to be upgraded or downgraded. So you can change it more than 2 times. So this is not true because I'm talking with experience and what I'm doing. So now you are going to click on I understand. If you have made your payment before, you are going to click on resume application. But if you have not made a payment before, you are going to click on new payments. Please know that I'm just showing you the step by step on how to do this. I'm not going to be performing the operation to the end because I'm not changing my details. My own details are correct. I'm just showing you these steps by step tutorial for educational purpose only. So you are going to use your card details to pay for the prices of the modification
before you can now proceed to the next page. Now the final step you're going to see is that you'll be asked to provide your certificate number. Your certificate number is on the NPC certificate that you actually obtained from National Population Commission website. So you just go there, you copy out the number there. It starts with an alphabet and ends with an alphabet. So copy out that number. You go to the NIMC website, input that number, and then your date of birth will be pre-filled by their own self, by that same portal. You don't have to fill the date of birth that you want to modify. It is being pre-filled from that certificate that you obtained. So you just have to input that, then you upload the NPC certificate and you submit it. After you've submitted it, a notification will be sent to your mailbox that in few days time it will be approved. So after 3 days it is going to be approved. It doesn't take long. So after that, you need to go to your dashboard and download a copy of your